You may get confused about which package you need to subscribe. Here you can find different packages or validity courses like 1 month validity, 2 months validity, 3 months validity, 6 months validity, 1 year validity. So if you're already preparing since quite long or exam will be held in 30 days, then go with 1 month validity course. It's like just polish your knowledge before exam. If you want to start preparation from scratch or from basic level, then go with 2 months or 3 months validity course, depends on your need or exam date. If you're preparing for exam which will be held once in a year or twice in a year and long-term preparation plan, then go with 6 months or 1 year validity course. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!